All right, team, we are live with today's whiteboard brief. One take, everyone knows the rules. Not really a whiteboard, as you can see, because we're going to get virtual on the phone for today. So how I want you to start the day, go through the warm-up. We have it listed on Sugar Wad. It is 3 rounds, 30-second Samson stretch, 15 glute bridges, 30-second Cossack squats, and 15 air squats. Go through there. Get breathing a little bit, get a little sweat going, and then we're going to get into our workout. It's a fun one today, the deck of cards. So I think people have been clamoring for one like this. So I'm going to show you a way to set up a virtual deck of cards and sort of talk through the workout. And then, of course, you can also actually use a real deck of cards. Don't go out and get a deck of cards if you don't have one, though. Stay safe in your homes. So virtual deck of cards, I'm going to scroll over. There's an app called Sweat Deck. You can just go download that in the App Store. It's a free app, real easy to get set up, quick download. So I'm going to click over here on the right, Sweat Deck. When you first download, it does a little tutorial, but now we are into the main screen. So I'm going to get set up for today. So you're going to be doing you're going to flip over a card. Whenever that suit comes up, you have a assigned movement to do with it. It will show if you do it on the app. Otherwise, maybe just write out a list of them if you're doing a real deck of cards. So you'll do that movement for the set number of reps. So if it's 1 through 10, you'll just be doing the number, or excuse me, 2 through 10, because if we do an ace, it's actually going to be 11 reps, and then the face cards are going to be 10 reps. So actually for us today, spades are going to be squats. So we're just going to scroll down and hit squats. That will change our spades. For us, it's goblet squat, but they don't have that. So then we're going to scroll over. We're going to do clubs. For us today, those are burpees. So we click burpees there. After that, sit-ups. We go to the diamonds, scroll down, and find the sit-ups. So the last one is a tricky one. So for our hearts today, it's single arm dumbbell snatches. Each time you do a snatch, count as 1 rep. So right, left, that would be 2 reps. But for today, we're going to click on it. We do not have snatches on here. If you scroll down, you do not see them. So I'm just going to click up top and click bear crawl. I'm not doing bear crawls, but every time I see bear crawl on the sweat deck, I just know that I'm going to be doing dumbbell snatches in place of that. So I'm going to click check. Make sure it's set up. I think when you first start, the ace is on 10. So let's switch the ace to 11. There's just 4 extra reps, people. Don't be that upset about it. So face cards are 10. We got 11, and then every other card, obviously, you're just doing the number that is on there. We click OK, and then I click Start.
10 squats.
And we are into the workout. So we got 10 squats first. Once I do my 10 squats, I click
10
that card.
squats.
I got 10 squats again. Oof, rough start. Let's go till we get a good one. Click it.
10 sit-ups.
10 sit-ups. I'm knocking out the big ones.
10 sit-ups.
10 sit-ups again.
9 bear
9
crawls.
bear crawls. So remember, when I get to bear crawls, then I'm just doing 9 snatches. I'll alternate, so I'll go 5, or it will end up being 5 on my right, 5 on my left. Don't worry, you'll get evened out eventually. So just keep scrolling
7
there until you
burpees.
make it through the full deck of cards. On the bottom, you can see how many you've made it through. Have a good one. It's going to be a fun one today.